Got a pair of pants that are just too long? Don't pay a tailor to fix them. Here is how you can shorten them yourself by hand. First, mark your desired length and carefully cut off the excess fabric, leaving yourself about an inch or so for the hem allowance. Next, prepare the edge. You can fold the raw edge inward once. If the fabric is prone to fraying, you might want to zigzag the edge first or do a double fold. But for thick denim, a single crisp fold works well to reduce bulk. Press it firmly so it holds its shape. Now, let's start the invisible stitch. This technique is often called a blind hem or herringbone stitch. The secret here is less is more. When you move the needle to the main part of the pant leg, pick up only 1 or 2 tiny fibres of the fabric. You barely want to pierce the front side. Then, bring the needle back through the folded hem allowance on the inside. Continue this in a diagonal zigzag motion. This allows the hem to have a little bit of stretch, which is important so the thread doesn't snap when you walk or pull the pants on. As you finish up, look at the result. On the inside, you have a strong, secure cross-stitch pattern holding everything in place. But flip it to the right side. It's completely invisible. No ugly stitch lines, just a